Hello friends! Next slide that we animate is the one with the video testimonial. We don't want to shift accents from the video, so we will animate only opening and transitions. But before we start the animation, I want to make some changes to design. I think it will be better to place the name and short description in the bottom middle of the slide. Let's select the bottom right sign and ungroup it Ctrl-Shift-G. Now we need to make them bigger. Select the blue and pink rectangles and change their size to 1.06 in height and 6.79 in width. Next, select the blue shape and open rotation options. Change rotation to 2 degrees. And for the pink one, we can change it to -2 degrees. Now we can close the Format tab. Next, select both shapes and align them middle, but don't align them center. I want the edges to go beyond each other. Also, we need to group and align them to the center of the slide. Alright, now it is time for the text. Change the text to Maggie Chu. And place the text box in the center of the group and move it a bit up, leaving some empty space for the second line. I don't want to add another text box, so we will add the text in the same text box. Go to the next line and type "Founder of Yes to Coaching." Select this text and change the font to Lato Light, font size 24, italic. And make the Yes to Coaching in bold text. Adjust position if needed to make it look accurate. Good, I like the result. Now we can start the animation. Add the rectangle to the size of the slide. Change color to pink and remove the border. Next, we need to animate it. Click the shape and select the Exit Animation Split. Duration 0.25 and make it start with previous. In addition, we need to fix the animation of the video so that the playback started as soon as the slide appears. To do so, we move the animation from the trigger up and make it start with previous. Delay 0. Next, we need to do the transition. Let's add one more rectangle to the size of the slide. And make it gray with no border. Animation wipe. Direction from left. Start with previous. Duration 0.25. And let's change delay to 5.5, so it started when the video was stopping to play. If you replaced the video to your own one, check the length of the video and change delay to the right time. Also, let's add one more rectangle. We can duplicate the gray one and change its color to blue. Align its center. We will keep the same animation but change its delay to 5.75, so it started right after the previous. Okay, good. Now we can preview the animation to see the result. I like it. Finally, we need to check the After Zero checkbox in the Transition tab, and we can move to the next slide. See you later.